behold the elevators here at the Makai condominiums in Ocean City, Maryland. Here's one here. These are the only two LEDs they have here. What the? Looks like, gee, yep. Well, he turns off this one. Oh, let's go fix. And I'm fixtures on this one here too as well. One, two, three, four, five, and here at six. Let me send this one down the ground. I get it very quiet. What's that? Gee, yelling Adam's button? Don't want it to happen. I had no idea that this one, I had no idea they have Adam's buttons on this one. Well, it seems to be they were modernized before. There's a view window over there. Let's get it in. Use this one. Oh, if you like the elevator like this. Let's go back to G. Let's go get a candle. Quite an unusual elevator, but I say so myself. So certificates right there. Emergency phone button. Capacity store 100 pounds. 2. 1. And ground. Well. Bunch of clues. And that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to subscribe, click on this tab. For more videos, click either one of them.